So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the landing page builder within Funnelbolt. So go ahead, once you log in, you'll hit the dashboard. Go ahead, come down to the landing page builder for me. And you are going to see this. Now it's probably going to say something like, sorry, there's no data available here, or something like that. Go ahead over here to create project and let's create something. So we're just going to name this how to use landing page. We're going to hit save. Okay, so created successfully, great. Now there we go. It's actually just going to open it straight up for you. And we're going to jump right in. So right away you have this empty page. So we start with sections, or we have choose the template. In this video, we're going to be covering the template. So you're going to hit this. It's going to pop up with a bunch of preset templates that are already made and kind of built out for you. You're just going to have to change the very specifics of it. But as far as the structure goes, it's already there. It's done for you. So let's say I am a real estate agent and I want to build a new landing page or a website at that. We're just going to go ahead and kind of just scan through these. Now you saw I clicked the eye icon over there. It didn't actually lay it out on my page. It brought it up and we're kind of just previewing it in this extra tab here. But this is what it's going to look like. And so I think I like this template. So we're going to go ahead and just use it. So I'm going to exit out of this tab here because that was just a preview tab. We're going to come over here to the choose. Boom. Now what we just saw on that previous tab is now right here. And so we're no longer previewing, we're kind of in the edit. And so we can still get back to that preview tab if we want to see what it would look like without all this editing stuff here by going up here to the preview, and it says you can only preview single page, links to other pages won't work. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to hit show preview. Boom, same thing we were just at. So there's also a way to quickly do it, like if you just want to see it quickly without having to load that extra page, go ahead, hit that quick preview, boom, same thing here. I mean, you're still going to have your editing sidebars at the top and on the bottom and the left here, but that's all right. Or if you want to see it in mobile, or the tablet, or mobile, you can also do that too, there at the bottom right. So let's dive into editing.